Hello, it's Yasir again here. I'm going to do an inverting amplifier and transistor. So we're going to use these two major components. As you can see here is a breadboard, two resistors. Today I'm using 10 kilo ohm resistors. Okay, so I want to implement here on the breadboard. You can see LM and the resistor. This is 10 kilo ohm. So resistor 1 I've connected to input of pin 2. Okay, resistor 2 I've connected the one pin in pin 2 and the other into the output. Okay, so I want to bring this DC here. Here DC supply, oscilloscope and the generator. Okay, so I'm going to start with pin 4. 1 2 3 4. Pin 4. So take here the positive. Okay, so let's use the grounder. So I'll use this as the ground. Okay, then I'm gonna use my pin 3 direct to the ground. Okay, 3 direct to the ground, so you can see. So pin 11, 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, going to the ground. Okay, I'm going to connect my generators. Okay, so here is the generator. So the output will connect it to the pin 1. Okay, to the pin. So I'm going to connect it to the end of R1. Okay, or end of pin 1. And the pin 1 is here, 10 kilo ohms. So I'll put it here. Okay, so if I put it there, and then this one I'll tap it to the ground. Where is the ground, my dear? Here it is the ground, and I tap it very good. Can you see the wiring? Wow. So I want to connect my oscilloscope. Okay, so the oscilloscope is here. So I want to connect the input channel, which is channel number 1. So I'll connect it to where I've connected the input of the generator. Okay, so I'll connect there, then I do my things there. You see, very wow, very nice. Okay, then now the ground, you just tap it back to the ground, or you can take this one, keep it to the ground here, and you tap here to the ground. Okay, very nice, very nice, very nice. Then now I'm going back to take my output, or the channel 2. So the channel 2, I'll connect it directly to my what, to my pin 1 here. Okay, so I'll put this, I'll put this there, then I do my things here like this. Okay, wow. After that, the ground, I still connected to the ground. As you can see, I'm connecting to the ground, so it will be like so. Hereby I want to launch to see if my connection is correct, and we can be able to see everything correct. Okay, so I'm going to power on first the DC power supply. As you can see, so we are going to supply 12 voltage. Already supplied 12 voltage. Then I'm going to switch on the generator. The generator is switching on. You can see things are good. And then now I'm going to power on the oscillator. As you can see, the oscilloscope, digital oscilloscope, it is powering on. Yes. Is there any problem? So I want to trigger my waveform, what you can see. So after completing the process, my final results are out. As you can see, the oscilloscope showing the waves. I've supplied 12 voltage here, and the generator here I have amplitude of 1 and I have an offset of 2. So the final result here. Thank you.